So I'm never going to say that full on replacements of Western medicine, I can't competently advise that as a practitioner to be. But what I can say is research shows that without medication assistance, a lot of cognitive behavioral therapy will do that work without you having to take medications. And so, especially for teenagers, there's research that shows that if they're linked up with a cognitive behavioral specialist, it can be a counselor, anybody that's licensed to do that therapy work, that they are at a 50% chance of successfully getting through that therapy and not making an attempt on their life. And so specifically in this case study, I would recommend resources first, one, to get to a clinician that can provide that cognitive behavioral therapy for them before you start exploring medication-assisted therapy. There is nothing wrong, though, with being able to both join medication-assisted therapy at the lowest dosage that's needed for the acuity of whatever the suicidality or depression is, with cognitive behavioral therapy, because that gives them an even better chance of coming out and maybe not even having to continue to take the medication, and then have some upkeep with cognitive behavioral therapy as well.
This holistic hand series on crisis intervention and suicide prevention was brought to you by the Eudaimonia Project. Recipients of the Changemaker Challenge grant from the Community Foundation of Howard County, Horizon Foundation, United Way of Central Maryland, the Women's Giving Circle, and viewers like you. The Eudaimonia Project is honored to be a 2024 Changemaker Challenge winner in Howard County.